Hey guys, today I'm going to replace the air cabinet filter because the AC system smells foul in the Mercedes W176, and I'm going to replace it with a standard filter here, this one. I will take it replaces these here. And so I'm going to take out the filter that's inside here under the glove box, and when that's out I'm going to use here Dynamax AC cleaner. They have a little mistake, I think here in English it says to shake before use, apply to the air conditioning condenser. This is wrong. The condenser is in front of the car. This is the evaporator. Anyway, so let's see how this goes. So I have the glove box here, and if you go below, you can just grab with your hands the carpet, like so. I only have one hand here for the camera, so look, the seat looks like this. So you fold it completely down, and here, okay, we have the fuse box here. And here is the filter. There are two clips that you take out with your hand. Okay, so the cover comes off, and you can see the filter in there. I'm just going to pull it out. It's really tight, and as you can see, this was not really tight when I opened the cover. Okay, so it has, yeah, you see, it's kind of it's very dirty. I'm happy that I saw this. It has a straight side and it has a side with an angle, so this angle is on the right side. But before I'm going to put this back, I'm going to cover back on. I'm going to put the cover back on, and I'm not so sure about the directions of this spray here. It says to empty the can, and they call it condenser, but this is the evaporator. So I think I will just go ahead and spray some in the box here. And I'm going to spray in each of these vents, by the window also, and here. Anyway, I put the cover back. I did not spray inside because I have no access to the evaporator there. So I just close the cover, and I'm going to go ahead and just spray inside the vents. The instructions for this spray say to spray and leave it sit for half an hour. The foam will disappear by itself. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I shake the can. I'm going all the way. Let's see. I don't know if this is crazy or... I will spray this in all. So I'm just going to leave it sit. So I did all that job, and now I'm just going to put the filter inside. So this is the opening. Let's see how it goes. So it's in. Now Now just put the cover back. You don't need tools. Just put your head under and that's it. You should vacuum a little bit under here because that came out of the filter. I'll do that later. Anyway, so you just put the carpet back. And that's it, job done. All the foam disappeared. I should have a fresh air conditioning. So after I let that dry for about half an hour, I turned on the engine and I put it on full heat. And I just played a little bit with the air setting, so it would blow from the window. I stopped that and then I let it blow from here, and it smells fresh, very nice. I'm gonna let it run on high heat for 10 minutes, just to be sure that everything is dry inside. Thanks for watching.